Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 Bast 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer, a fast, fully automatic, beginner-friendly 3D printer designed for high-speed precision printing right out of the box. Priced at around $239, this printer offers premium-level speed and automation features that are usually found in much more expensive models, making it a strong value-for-money choice for hobbyists and beginners. Ultra-fast printing speed up to 600 mm per second. Fully auto-bed leveling for hassle-free setup. High-temp 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. 3-second detachable nozzle for quick maintenance. Solid Core XY all-metal structure for stability. Compact print volume, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Smooth, high-precision printing for PLA, PTG, and more. Pros. Extremely fast printing performance. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Beginner-friendly operation. Strong build quality and stability. Quick nozzle changes save time. Cons. Print size is average, not large scale. Advanced users may want more customization options. Can be slightly noisy at top speed. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality K2 SE 3D printer, a next-gen high-speed machine built for fast, precise, and multicolor-ready 3D printing performance. Priced at around $299, this printer delivers premium-level speed, automation, and multi-material readiness, making it a strong value option for both hobbyists and semi-pro creators. Ultra-fast printing up to 500 mm per second. Supports multicolor printing via CFS system. Fully auto-bed leveling for easy setup. High-performance direct drive extruder. Strong solid metal frame for stability. Quick swap nozzle system for easy maintenance. Build volume, 220 by 215 by 245 mm. Designed for smooth high-precision printing with fewer errors. Pros. Very fast printing speed. Multicolor printing support, CFS ready. Solid metal build quality. Beginner-friendly auto-leveling. Easy maintenance with quick swap nozzle. Cons. Slightly higher price than basic models. Multicolor system may need extra setup cost. Not the largest build volume in its class. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a high-speed Core XZ 3D printer built for larger prints, stronger stability, and smoother everyday performance. Priced at around $378, this model brings premium features like 600 mm per second speed, auto-leveling, and a large build volume, making it a strong mid-range upgrade for serious makers. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second, Core XZ system. Large build size, 11.8 by 11.8 by 13.0 inches. Fully auto-bed leveling for easy setup. Direct drive extruder for better filament control. Stable all-metal frame design. Tri-metal nozzle for durability and heat resistance. Improved print accuracy at high speed. PC-connected smart printing workflow. Pros. Very high printing speed, 600 mm per second class. Large print volume for bigger projects. Strong and stable metal construction. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Good extrusion performance for detailed prints. Cons. Higher price compared to entry-level Ender models. Learning curve for beginners upgrading from basic printers. High-speed printing may require tuning for best quality. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer, a fast, beginner-friendly upgrade printer designed for smooth, reliable everyday 3D printing. Priced at around $219, this is one of the most affordable modern Ender printers, offering auto-leveling and fast printing features that deliver excellent value for beginners. Up to 250 mm per second fast printing speed. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling for easy setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for better filament control. Dual Z-axis system for improved stability. Build size, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Supports PLA, PTG, TPU, 95A. Auto filament loading for convenience. Compact but stable upgraded ender design. Pros. Very affordable price point. Easy setup with auto leveling. Good for beginners and upgrades from older ender models. Supports multiple filament types. Stable dual Z-axis improves print quality. Cons. Smaller build volume than higher-end models. Not ideal for large professional prints. Lower speed compared to 500, 600 mm/s printers. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer, a fast, beginner-friendly desktop 3D printer designed for smooth and reliable everyday printing. Priced at around $186, this is an excellent budget-friendly upgrade printer that delivers modern features like auto-leveling and high-speed printing at a very affordable cost. Up to 250 mm per second high-speed printing. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling for easy setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for better filament control. Dual Z-axis system for extra stability. Auto filament loading for convenience. Build volume, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Lightweight aluminum frame design. Easy assembly, beginner-friendly setup. Supports PLA, PTG, TPU, 95A. Pros. Very affordable price, $186 deal. Easy setup with auto leveling. Good print quality for beginners. Stable dual Z-axis system. Supports multiple filament types. Cons. Smaller print volume. Not ideal for professional large-scale printing. Speed is lower than premium 500, 600 mm/s models. If you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade 3D printer, the Ender 3v3 SE is a great choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price. Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe for more 3D printer reviews and comparisons.